Okay, well here we are with the Mercedes battery management unit. I think that's what it's called, a BCU, battery control unit, battery management unit. I'm not sure. But as you can see, it is now done. What a lot of work. So what have I done? I've rebuilt the board, as you can probably see in through there. That lovely greenness. So there's two brand new bits of copper plate in there. New capacitors. All these capacitors, these are automotive grade Panasonic capacitors. Got slightly higher voltage than the originals. All the MOSFETs are done. You can see two there. I've replaced all of the MOSFETs in this. I didn't find any that were shorted, to be fair, but the state of this board when I had it, I thought it was probably best to get them replaced. You can see the green area there where I've got all the high temperature solder mask. So I've replaced all of those capacitors you can see there. Some little ones in behind, I've done those as well. Going closer, those little ones in behind I've done. Those three, these four. You can just about see the board that I've put in there. I also replaced that one in there. That's much bigger than the original one, but I think it's the same value. I just put a bigger one in to save doing a board repair on that. So I've just cut all the carbonized board out of it and bridged it with a larger size. All automotive grade caps. What else have I done? You can see all the MOSFETs. All of these are new. That's a diode package in there, so that one was existing. I haven't touched that. There's another one there. You can see the burning. I mean, some of that's from my soldering iron. Try and get in there, but most of it is blackened from where it caught fire. It didn't catch fire, luckily, but it's certainly, it must have done. It's just lucky it's in a metal can, really. Flipping the board over, I've reflowed these connectors here. You can see the two plastic connectors. They've all got pins on them. If I flip it over, you can just about see the pins down through there, in behind, and the pins here. Apparently these are a known issue with dry joints, so I've just gone through and I've reflowed all of those. I've also changed a resistor. It's too close to see it. You can just about see a center frame there. I've replaced that one. And just basically given it a clean up. So there it is, ready to go back in the car. So I'm going to be doing a video of it going in the car. There's some big thermal pads on this, the dark green areas, and they coincide with some thermal pads on the inside of the case. I'm going to clean that off with some isopropyl, and then I've got to bolt the board back down. It just basically sits in there like that. And then we've got the lid goes on. If I turn that round, get a better idea. So we've got some connectors there. I'll take it this is directly off the battery. I'm not sure which is live and which is neutral, but yeah, pretty substantial connector. You would have thought that something that powerful goes straight into a circuit board, would you? But there you are, and that's the part number. So I believe it's somewhere around about the 1400 quid mark plus VAT. So it could have saved the owner over £1,000 if it works. So we'll pop it in the car and see how we go. Thanks for watching.